ठीक है सर. Tough time never lasts, but tough people do. Good evening, everyone. My name is Harshit Patle, and today I want to talk about something that we all go through in our life. That are failure, pressure, and tough time. But more importantly, I want to talk something even more important. That is resilience. I know many of you don't know about it. It means it is the power to rise even when life knocks us down. It is the ability to rise, it is the ability to keep going, and it is the ability to don't quit. And to explain that, I want to share a story. The story is not from any book, not from any movie, but a real story that inspired me. The story is about my favorite Indian cricketer, Hardik Pandya. We all know Hardik as an confident. We all know Hardik as an Indian cricketer who is stylish, aggressive, and confident. But behind that image, he is the person who is tested by the life. So let's go to IPL 2024. He was made the captain of Mumbai Indians, which is one of the most successful team in the IPL history. But that season, things didn't go well. Mumbai Indians finished last on the points table. As a captain, Hardik got all the blame. He was criticized by the people. He was booed in the stadiums. Just imagine being judged by the millions of people, even when you are giving your best. It might be frustrating, right? But that wasn't all. Yes, you heard right. That wasn't all. At the same time, he was facing a rough phase of his personal life as well. News came out that he and his wife were separating. A divorce is a painful thing, and for him, it was happening in front of the whole world. Just pause and think. Failure in career, heartbreak in personal life, criticism from all sides. Many people would break, many would hide, but Hardik, he didn't. He kept playing, he kept doing hard work, and now you all know his performance in the T20 World Cup and the Champions Trophy as well. And also, we all know that Mumbai qualifies for the semi-final, and like it is on the top four. So what we learn, or what I learn from the story, is that time is not always the same. If now you have a rough time, don't think that that will be in the future as well. Second thing, what I learned, you don't have to quit. You don't have to give up, because if you quit now, you are regret for your lifelong. You have to control your emotions, because what he faced at that time, he has a great control over his emotions. So whenever you face any such kind of thing, think about Hardik, a man who is hated, whose heart was broken, but he still didn't give up, because at the end of the day, your failure doesn't define you, but your comeback does. So that's all from my side. I hope you learned a lot and you're going to apply in your life as well. Thank you so much for your time.